channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to highlight and contour in this super quick fun video. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Rachel and I truly appreciate you for tuning in. Let's get started. Contouring and highlighting. I'm going to do one side in powder and one side in liquid so you can see the difference. Let's get started with powder. Let's go. This is my Mary Kay contouring palette. I'm going to go in with our Latte contouring powder. I am using just a 3-in-1 cheek brush. I'm going to start right up here and kind of work your way down to stay about 3 fingers away from the corner of your lip. So you're gonna make like a line from the top of your ear to the corner of your lip, staying 3 fingers away, and then start blending. And with Mary Kay's brushes, you have a super cool little indent that your thumb fits perfectly in. So you can just hold there to blend. So to do the 3, you go up on your forehead, along your cheek here, and then your jawline. So let me do that real quick. Contoured, not contoured. Okay, so that was contouring with powder. First we'll start with a cheek color. This is my favorite cheek color brush. I can't even tell you what brand it is because I'm not sure, but I love it. It's very fluffy and light. Today I'm going to go in with some Darling Pink, also a Mary Kay color. All products used are Mary Kay, and if you don't have a Mary Kay consultant and want to try our products, let me know and I would be happy to help you with that. So real quick with the cheek color, I always smile, but start at the apples of my cheeks and work my way out. This kind of creates a lifting effect with your cheeks. Typically how I do that is I just highlight like right here, maybe down my nose, a little bit on my forehead and on my chin. So I'm just going to do powder on this side, and I'm using our glazed highlighter powder, putting it on the highest side of the 3-in-1 cheek brush. Tap off any excess and you just lightly blend it in right above kind of where you did your cheek color. Now we are fully highlighted and contoured with powder on one side. So this side is completely undone and this side is done. Super quick, super easy. Let's move on to liquid. On this side, I'm going to contour with liquid products. These aren't necessarily contouring specific products, but there's stuff that I use that I've found great results with. So first, I'm going to start with a CC cream in the shade Very Deep. If you're familiar with Mary Kay, CC cream is actually a complexion corrector. It's pretty much a tinted moisturizer. It's all I use for foundation. Thanks to Mary Kay for my great skin, I don't really need a full coverage foundation. So I just use CC cream, but I've also found that I can use different shades to do different things. What I do is I take a little tiny bit, just the tiniest amount, put it on my finger. I take another finger, I'm gonna have to pull my hair out of the way for you guys. And then same thing, you follow that same line. And I just gently put it on. It's easy to start out light and build up than it is to start heavy and try to tone it down. You kind of just make that line. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do the whole 3 so you kind of get a good visual on it. When I say make a 3 on both sides to contour, so kind of like that, or like a C with a slash through it. And then I use a blending sponge, you could use a brush as well, to blend it out. So here I have a blender. So that is contouring with liquid. Again, you can go more dramatic. You just add more and kind of build up. I keep it kind of more toned down just a little bit. Now, for the sake of highlighting, I'm going to be a little bit more dramatic on this side and highlight in the areas that weren't contoured. So for this, I'm just going to use Perfecting Concealer using the shade Deep Ivory. I could probably get away, honestly, with Light Ivory, but so you just kind of fill in these spots. Especially good along your eyes. I'm going to do my nose again since I just contoured there. And then my chin. For some extra fun, do right above your cupid's bow. Then take a beauty blender and blend it. Next, we're going to add some cheek color, again, to match the other side. I'm using Darling Pink. So then we're going to move in with my all-time favorite highlighting drops. These are Illuminating drops from Mary Kay. They come with a little dropper. I don't even like squirt it because you'll get so much, and this stuff is so powerful. I just take whatever's on the dropper and kind of put it around. Take your fingers and blend it. Alright guys, so that is how you contour and highlight two different ways, powder versus liquid. Here you can kind of see the difference. Powder is on this side, liquid is on this side. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for some future videos, be sure to comment them below. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I truly, truly appreciate you being here. Thank you. See you next time.